In today's video, we're going to be covering all the new TikTok features in May 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first is going to be AI Magic Edit. So you can transform your videos with AI-powered edits, screen expansion, and smart object removed nowadays with your TikTok AI Magic Edit feature. You can also have Auto Captions Pro, so most accurate customizable caption with 100 plus styles and auto highlight keywords. You can also have AI voices and dubbing now, so you can generate realistic AI voiceover in 40 plus language or dub your videos instantly. You can also have multi-clip editor, so edit up to 20 clips at once with smart transactions or transitions, beat sync, and auto reframe. You can also use smart templates that adapt to your clip and text and music with one tap. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.